Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're on Windows 10 or 11 because menus differ slightly. Once confirmed, right-click the taskbar or press Win plus I to open settings, then go to Personalization and Taskbar. Make sure the taskbar is unlocked. If it's locked, unlock it so you can change behavior. These first steps get you into the correct control panels and prevent accidental resistance when you attempt changes. Now that settings are open, move on to the visibility and behavior options to hide or remove the bar. You now change the middle details. Enable Auto Hide under Taskbar behaviors to remove the bar from view automatically. This is reversible and safe. Next, unpin apps and turn off system icons or toolbars to slim the area so it stays unobtrusive. If you need permanent removal, use Group Policy Editor, gpedit, MSC, or a registry policy under Policies /Explorer. But note these require admin rights and explain why. They change how Windows draws the shell. Make sure to back up settings before making deep edits. To finish, restart Explorer. EXE from Task Manager so your changes apply immediately. This resolves many redraw glitches. If the taskbar is missing or unstable after advanced edits, revert the group policy or registry entries you changed. That's the usual fix. Make sure to restore your backup if you created one. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to undo changes or use a system restore point. This gives you a safe rollback option and protects your user profile and files while you recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.